Hey guys, so today is the second to last video of my beginner makeup series here on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking all about the eyes. So first things first, I'm going to prime the eyes. We want a nice even base for when we want to apply all of our eyeshadow products. So I'm going to first take my Nars smudge proof eyeshadow base. I tried a lot of eye primers, and this one is my absolute favorite. The eyeshadow lasts so much longer when using this one rather than like the Urban Decay primer potion I used a lot, and it would not hold, or it wouldn't, the eyeshadows wouldn't stay as long as it would with this. So this is what we're going to use for eye primer today. And also with this, I don't have to set the primer, which I like. I can just leave it like this. So we're actually going to use one eyeshadow shade. Well, it's actually a bronzer. My bronzer that I used on my cheeks. I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This one is in bronzer. I like to use a bronzer, especially when I do like a natural everyday makeup look, just so that the entire makeup look can be very cohesive. So I'm going to take this shade here. And I'm first going to go in the crease. So this is the Morphe L'Oreal brush number A11. I'm just going to take this first in the crease. Then I'm going to take what's left on the brush and actually go on the lid to kind of smoke things out. I'm going to pick up a little bit more actually. And then let's go into eyeliner. So I'm going to take my ColourPop. Okay. So for beginners, I would recommend to use a powder for eyeliner because it's a lot easier to use than a liquid or a pencil or a gel. So I'm going to go in with my ColourPop That's Taupe eyeshadow palette. And we are going to use the color Bedrock, which is this deep brown shade. And the brush that I'm going to use is the Shiny brush from the 32 brush set. This was the brush 12, or this is the brush 12. I'm just going to draw a thin line on the lash line. Same thing to the other eye. And a great mascara that is perfect to use for beginners. This is the Loreal Lash Paradice mascara. This is my favorite mascara. I love it. This one is in the shade Blackest Black. So I was going to, so normally right before I curl my I put on my mascara, I curl my lashes. But in this video, I'm not going to curl my lashes because this is a beginner-friendly makeup tutorial. I'm first going to start by kind of rolling the mascara on the lashes. And then what I like to do is I like to take a spoolie like this and just run it through the lashes. And do the same thing to the other eye. And then I'm going to go in with the spoolie and do the same thing to the bottom lashes. Okay, so that was it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. The next one for the last video of the beginner makeup series, where I'm going to be talking all about lips and setting sprays. Bye!